Hey guys, it's Nanda with Nanda's Crafts. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I want to show you guys all the things that I picked up at Hobby Lobby. So I picked up one package with these cute Christmas ornaments, two packages of these cute things that you can wrap on certain crafts, one package of this with the holly berries, one of this with the snowflakes, and one of this with the gingerbread men. Look how cute they are. One package of these LED lights. It comes with 6 lights in here. And then I got one package of these cute lollipops. I forgot to mention that all the Christmas items was 50% off. So I got 2 of these cute hot chocolate mugs embellishments, a package of paintbrush, a package of square wooden dowels. I got 2 packages of these cute styrofoam balls for Christmas decor, 2 of these cute sleigh that I can make a Christmas DIY with it, and in here I have the red truck with the Christmas tree. This is so cute. Then I got a package of craft state refills, one of this with the stickers. It comes with the stardust, silver, and crystal. I got one of this cute snowman, and the ribbons was 50% off, so I got one of these. One of this that comes with 2 red, 1 white, and 1 green. Then over here I have a green ribbon. This one, white, orange, red, and pink and blue. For the fall items, I got one of these mini pumpkins and one of the scarecrow stickers, and they were 40% off. And I got quite a few pieces of paper. They were for $1. So I got 4 of this and 4 of with this gray color in here. This paper is so cute with the pumpkin truck and the pumpkins in here. I found this metal dies on Claris, and it comes with these 4 flowers in here and these branch leaves, and was $1.49. Then I got 2 of these stencils. One is Merry Christmas. This one says Believe, and in this other side says Let It Snow with the snowflakes. I got a package of black cardstock, comes with 50 of them. And this frame decor was on Claris too, so I got for $2.49. And this is the video for today. If you enjoyed, please give this video a thumbs up, and thank you so much for watching. Bye!